last class, we have studied about the convection of heat in water. That means a convection that takes place in liquid. In today's class, we'll discuss one activity related to the convection, whether the convection takes place in air or not. In gas medium, whether the convection takes place or not. For that, what you have to require, you have to take one candle and you have to light that candle, and above that candle you have to keep one hand above that candle, and another hand you have to keep the side of that candle. You have to check whether both the hands will feel same hot or not. What you will feel? Yes, the hand above the flame of the candle will be more hot when compared to the hand on the side of the candle. That means here the convection, there is no convection in air. This experiment or this activity shows that there is no convection in air. You go to the textbook and you see the diagram they have given, how you have to keep your hand, and you go to the textbook and you read that activity. And in today's class, we will discuss mainly about the very interesting phenomenon, that is sea breeze and land breeze. Breeze means what? Cool air. Okay. Sea breeze and land breeze. What is the meaning of this sea breeze and land breeze? This sea breeze and land breeze, that is a very interesting phenomenon in a coastal area. The people living in coastal area experience this type of phenomenon, that is sea breeze and land breeze. What is the meaning of the sea breeze? This sea breeze that takes place during the daytime, as well as land breeze that takes place during the night time. During the daytime, there is land gets heated up first, and the air present in above the land heats up first, and it will be rises upwards. It rises upwards because warm wave, there is a low density, and then what happens? Cool air from the sea rushes towards the land. This phenomenon is called as sea breeze, and exactly the reverse of this phenomenon is called as phenomenon or process is called as land breeze. See, the people living in the coastal area experience this phenomenon. This phenomenon means what here? That is sea breeze and land breeze. What is the meaning of sea breeze then? During the daytime, what happens? The land gets heated up faster than the water. During the daytime, sunlight is more. At that time, what happened? Land gets heated up faster than the water. The air over the land becomes hotter and rises upwards. The cooler air from the sea rushes in towards the land to take its place. Cooler air from the sea rushes towards the land to take the place in the over the land. The warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. Warm air from the sea move towards. So the warm air from the land move towards the sea to complete the cycle. Warm air is present above the land, that will move towards the sea to complete the cycle. The air from the sea is called as, the cool air from the sea rushes towards the land is called as sea breeze. That is, that phenomenon is called as sea breeze. Sea breeze, very important. You have to remember. Understand what is sea breeze? You go to the textbook there, they have given diagram nicely. You can understand it. To receive the cooler sea breeze, the windows of the houses in coastal areas are made to face the sea. From the sea, cool air rushes. No, that's why what happened? The houses in the windows of that houses near the sea area. What happened? They made towards they will face towards the water sea to get a sea breeze or cool air. At night, this phenomenon is reverse. At night, it is exactly the reverse. Night, what happened? Land breeze will takes place. Then, what is meaning of land breeze? Okay, the water cools down more slowly than the land. Water takes more time to cool than the land. So the cool air, where cool air will be present? The cool air from the land. Okay, land which is having cool air moves towards the sea. Cool air from the land now. That time cool air from the sea rushes toward the land. Here cool air from the land rushes toward the sea. This is called as a land breeze. This phenomenon is called as land breeze. See here it is a diagram to show sea breeze and land breeze. See this during the daytime from the sea cool air rushes towards the land and hot air will come to the sea again. Then here land gets heated up first and then hot air will go to that sea, cool air come to this side. You have to show the arrow mark properly like this and you have to draw this also. That is called as sea breeze. Cool air from the sea rushes towards the land. This will take place during the daytime. This is called as sea breeze. And then this is another one, land breeze. That means the cool air from the land rushes toward the sea and again it will go to the land. The warm air from the sea go to land. Then to complete the cycle, this is called as land breeze that takes place during the night time. This is a very interesting phenomenon that takes place in the coastal area. The people living in coastal area experience this phenomenon. I will send video from the YouTube. You can observe that sea breeze, how it takes place, and land breeze, how it will takes place. Depends on the density, temperature of that object, all those things you will discuss. You will see that one, how the phenomenon takes place. Very interesting phenomenon. That is sea breeze and land breeze. Okay, this is about the sea breeze and land breeze. Next, we will go for one simple process that is called as radiation. You heard about radiation, no? When you come out from the home or when you come out from the house, what happens? You will feel warm. That is because of heat or from the sun. How this heat rays or heat will reach the earth? How the heat rays or sun rays will reach the earth? That is because of then between the sun as well as the earth, there will be a medium or air that will be transfer this heat radiation. That is heating. The radiation from the heat from the sun reaches the land by the process called as radiation. Radiation. From the sun, the heat comes to us by a process known as radiation. For this radiation, there is no medium required for the transfer of heat. The transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. For this radiation process, any medium is not required. It takes place whether the medium is present or absent. It can take place whether the medium is present or not. It can take place in the absence of medium. It does not require any medium. Medium is what? Air, water, like that medium. It does not require any medium. Example for this radiation, how you will experience radiation. When you on the room heater, what happened? On the room heater, that whole room will get heated up. That is one example. Another one, a hot utensil kept away from the flame that will cool again slowly. That means surrounding object will absorb the heat. You have to remember one thing, all hot body, they are heavy, their bodies radiate heat. All hot bodies radiate heat. You have to remember all water bodies radiate heat. When heat falls on the object, when the heat falls on the object, sometimes it is absorbed, sometimes a part of it is absorbed, a part of it is transmitted, and a part of it is reflected. When the heat rays or radiation or the heat rays or here all hot bodies radiate heat. When heat falls on the object, when heat falls on the object, some rays are reflected, some part of it is reflected, some part of it is absorbed, and some part of it is transmitted. That is about the what radiation. If the heat is absorbed by the body, then what happens? Temperature of that body increases. Increase or decrease of temperature takes place with the help of what? Absorption of heat. Okay, this is about radiation, sea breeze and land breeze. I will send video from that. You can understand about picture of that sea breeze and land breeze. In textbook also they have given. You go through that and you can understand. Very important phenomenon, sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze takes place during daytime and land breeze takes place during night time. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Next, in the next class, we can discuss about the clothes we wear in the different season. In hot season or in summer season, which type of clothes we wear. Or in the winter season, which type of clothes we wear. Or why we are wearing that type of cloth. All those things we will discuss. Okay, thank you.